Hello and welcome to the Kenneth for Cameron Law Office Legal Podcast. In this edition, we examine the United States Supreme Court case where the Supreme Court ruled that the passenger pat-down during a traffic stop was permitted if there was a belief that the passenger gang member was armed and dangerous. That was Arizona versus Johnson, decided in 2009. In this case, while patrolling near a Tucson neighborhood associated with the Crips gang, police officers serving on Arizona's gang task force stopped an automobile for a vehicular infraction warranting a citation. At the time of the stop, the officers had no reason to suspect the car's occupants of criminal activity. The officer attended to the defendant, the backseat passenger, whose behavior and clothing caused the officer to question him. After learning that the passenger was from a town with a Crips gang and had been in prison, the officer asked the passenger to get out of the car in order to question him further, out of the hearing of the front seat passenger, about his gang affiliation. Because the officer suspected he was armed, the officer patted him down for safety as he exited the car. During the pat-down, the officer felt the butt of a gun. At that point, the passenger began to struggle, and the officer handcuffed him. The passenger is charged with possession of a weapon by a prohibited possessor. The United States Supreme Court held the police officer's pat-down of the passenger did not violate the Fourth Amendment's prohibition on unreasonable searches and seizures. That's the case of Arizona versus Johnson, 172, Lawyers Edition 2nd, 494, decided 2009. For criminal representation, call the Law Office of Kenneth for Cameron, 732-572-0500 or 1-800-NJ-LAW-7. Located at 2053 Woodbridge Avenue, Edison, New Jersey, 08817. On the web at www.njlaws.com or benotguilty.com. That's benotguilty.com. Thank you and good luck.